Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix my Instagram account not showing in search. Well, there can be quite a few reasons for it, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing is make sure that your account is public. So if you simply open your Instagram, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then from here you can tap on your profile right here, then tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. And then from here you can see the option of account privacy. If you tap on it, currently here you can see private account is enabled. Make sure that you have tapped on this toggle button and turn it off and switch to public. Tap on this button and switch your account to public just like this. Here you can see we are on the public account now. From here you can see there is the option of allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine result. So make sure to turn on this feature. Tap on it, turn on this toggle button, and now all of your photos and videos and all of your contents will appear publicly on any search engine like Google, Google Chrome or Safari. So this is one of the ways to fix it, but if it's still not working, then another thing might be just getting into your settings. We'll go back to our settings just like this. Here you can see we are on the settings and activity. And from here, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see the option of messages and story replies. If you tap on this option and tap on message requests, just like this, here you can see the option of allow access to messages. So you have to make sure that you have turned this on just like this. And after doing that, you are now good to go. Now you can go back and try to search your account on any kind of search engine and it will definitely work. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.